Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. Several days ago, while I was shopping, I saw a cute trinket tray with small flowers on it and wanted to buy the piece but was really hesitant about it. The tray was made cheaply with cheap plastic and had rough edges which could easily scratch you. My first thought was to try and smooth down the edges to make it work, but the longer I looked at the piece, the worse it was getting. And then the idea popped in my mind. I can make my own custom trinket tray. I can have whatever shape I want to and whichever color I would like it to be. To say I'm obsessed with playing with the clay is understatement. The possibilities, the things you can make out of the clay are almost endless. I don't think it needs that much explaining to do. The process of making this piece is so easy. I flattened the clay with hands as you can see, but you can use rolling pin or anything really to flatten your clay. Using rolling pin will help you to achieve even thickness of the clay and smoother surface. I wanted the tray to have really organic shape, so I decided not to cut the edges or smooth them. After I was satisfied with the thickness of the clay, I started working with the edges. Again, I did not need them to be perfectly square or all the same height, so I even left some cracks on the edges to have more natural look, but you can easily fix them with water. As you can see, I smoothed the bottom surface of the tray with water to remove any fingerprints. The next step was pressing plants and flowers on it. I used freshly cut plants because it's easier to work with them than the dried flowers. It was so much fun seeing cute patterns popping on the plain white surface. It instantly became more interesting, but of course I was not going to leave the piece that way. If the surface of the tray or plate is big enough, you can use rolling pin to press flowers, but mine was relatively small, so I worked with my hand. I removed any leaf or flower petals left in the clay with tweezers. Here I'm painting the piece after it fully cured. I stained acrylic paint with water to have watercolor effect, but you can use any paint that can be mixed with water. Of course, in case if you want to have watercolor effect, or you can use just thick paints to paint your entire piece. The last step, which is crucial but I did not include in the video, is varnishing the piece. I ran out of varnish and did not have the time to buy it, so I decided to film the final part without including it. But you must use varnish on your dry clay to protect it from any damage. You can use clear varnish, which is used for polymer clay, or the one which is suitable for all surfaces. You can see how cute those trays turned out, and they are also very practical. I left small one for trinkets in my bedroom and moved bigger tray in the entrance for our keys or all those small things which is being collected on the shelf. Thank you all for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in my next one. Bye!